Introducing Massachusetts' best at AM3D and CNC fabrication. Prototyping, 3D printing and CNC machining taking to the next level. Utilizing the industry's most advanced, EOS metal 3D printing technology. We can custom manufacture any part imaginable. Our goal is to consult and assist our customers with their plasma cutting projects, to creating prototypes and helping launch their vision. At AM3D and CNC Fabrication, we are a full-fledged 3D and CNC manufacturing facility. Utilizing the best technology in the industry, we provide our clients with the following services: additive metal and plastic 3D printing, expert SolidWorks and solid edge engineering, plasma cutting, custom laser cutting, waterjet laser machining, and precision welding, just to name a few. With our 25 years of experience in the fabrication industry, you can rest assured that your project is in the right hands. Satisfaction guaranteed is our #1 priority. You can contact us today by phone at 774-888-7690 or by visiting our website or Facebook page.